Today we're going to talk about its pricing. Many people were commenting asking what is the total cost of installing a 5 kilowatt hybrid system from Deye company, in which you get a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter from Deye company along with a 5 kilowatt lithium battery from the same company. And in this system, for safety, we also have to install earthing and a lightning arrestor. Along with that, ACDB and DCDB boxes are also used. So what is the total cost to install this complete system? The 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter comes at around 90,000 rupees, on which 12% GST is applicable. That's around 10,000 rupees. So you'll get it for approximately 1 lakh rupees. Now talking about the lithium battery, you'll get a 5.3 kilolitr battery for around 14,000 rupees, which brings it to around 135,000 rupees. So the cost of the inverter and battery together is around 250,000 rupees. We use solar panels that are of the latest technology. You'll install 10 575 panels, making the solar capacity around 6 kilowatt. These 10 575 panels will cost you around 180,000 rupees. Apart from that, for a 5 kilowatt solar system, you'll incur some extra expenses, be around 50,000 rupees, which will cover stands, wiring and everything else. So the total cost of this system will come to around 383,000 rupees. You can assume it to be approximately 390,000 rupees. If you install this system at home, you may also get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. But for that, you'll need to use DCR solar panels, which cost 120,000 rupees for 5 kilowatt panels. That increases the system cost from 83,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. But then you get 78,000 rupees as a subsidy, so your net cost comes down to around 327,000 rupees, which means by availing the subsidy, you save 40,000 rupees. Similarly, to reduce costs further, you can replace the lithium with the gel batteries. These gel batteries will cost you around 16,000 rupees, so you'll get a full battery set in around 65,000 rupees. With that, this system will cost you around 13,000 rupees, which means you'll get it for about 257,000 rupees with subsidy. So you'll save approximately 70,000 rupees. This saved 70,000 rupees you can later use to buy a new battery. Lithium batteries last around 10 years with a single unit. Gel batteries last around 5 years. But both lithium and gel batteries have their own advantages. We already have a detailed video about that on our channel. Right now, we are discussing cost cutting. So gel batteries come at a lower price, and over 10 years you can buy them twice, which will be equivalent to the cost of a lithium battery. If you want to reduce cost even more, you can replace the N-type TOPCon panels with bifacial technology panels, which are available in 500 12 capacity. You'll still need to install 10 panels to get 5 kW capacity. These panels will cost you around 75,000 rupees. So your system will then cost around 290,000 rupees. Now, if you go for a lithium battery setup and use N-type TOPCon solar panels, then you'll definitely get the most benefit, as it will be the most efficient system. It can generate up to 30 units of electricity per day. But this setup will cost you around 1 lakh more rupees. So it's totally your choice which option you want to go for. Here the inverter remains the same in all options. The inverter technology remains completely reliable in each case. You only need to change the battery or panel technology. Another special thing about this setup is that even if you run close to 5 kilowatt load on lithium battery, it doesn't negatively impact its life. But if you run full load on gel or lead acid batteries, their lifespan reduces and you get less backup too. So lead acid or gel battery based setup is perfect for places where most of the load runs during the daytime, like offices or schools, because most of the daytime load runs through solar and the battery isn't used much. So gel and lead acid batteries are perfect for such places. But if you have to run heavy load at night too, like a 1 hour power cut at night, and you need to run 4 kilowatt load, then you should go with a lithium battery. Another great benefit of lithium batteries is that you can increase your backup time anytime as per your needs. If currently you're running 1 kilowatt load for 5 hours and in future want to run 2 kilowatt for 5 hours, you can simply add another lithium battery. But with lead acid or gel batteries, you can't just connect more in parallel. You'll have to buy a higher capacity battery and first sell the older ones. For example, if you've installed 200 Ah batteries now and want more backup later, you'll have to buy 250 Ah or 300 Ah batteries. But with lithium, you can just add one more battery or as many as you want to increase your backup time. Now that you know the cost, let's talk about how much load can be run on it. This is a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter. It can easily handle up to 5 kilowatt of load. Even if you want to run two 1.5 ton air conditioners, it can easily handle that for your home. Now let's talk about backup. With the 5 kilowatt battery, you can run 1 kilowatt load for about 5 hours. And the best part is that you can connect more batteries in parallel to this system. If you need extra backup, you can add more 5 kWh batteries as needed. Each inverter model has its own battery limit. Some inverters support up to 32 batteries, and you can even connect multiple inverters in parallel. For example, you can also parallel this inverter to expand your system in future. If you currently need 5 kilowatt, you can install it now. And if your load increases in future, you can add another inverter and increase your system capacity. So this setup is very useful in places where current load is low but will increase later, like schools, offices, or computer centers, where your load increases with the number of students or systems. You can easily scale up your system by adding another inverter. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this, do leave a comment in the video's comment box. If you liked the video, then like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon so you can continue getting such videos in the future. Thank you.